Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, in today's video we are talking about Usne Mseleko. You know Usne, like I'm very fond of her, like Linje, you know. God, why these days she is the drama. I don't know or mhlambe it's part of the script ukuthi she must be the drama, but like she is the drama. She is fighting with everyone, and then she will go and say ukuthi her siblings hate her because she doesn't have parents and whatnot. Kodwa nje Usne is the drama these days. She is fighting with Umpilontle. She said Umpilontle is the fakest sibling. Okay, vele she was asked ukuthi who is the fakest sibling and whatnot. And then she goes to fight with Umpumelelo. Okay, vele yena no Umpumelelo, like they do have those fights here and there. But she was just interfering in something that really has nothing to do with her. So when they were sitting Lapayana at Sun City, sitting at a table, eating, Usne was like, yeah, when Mpumelelo maubegile, uvuyokazi notirelo ba right. Yeah, nje Mpumelelo nje wavile wambeka endaweni yakhe fast nje. She just embarrassed herself lapha nje, clearly, because I know, like from her point of view, she was just trying to make peace or something, but she was just supposed to stay in her lane because Mpumelelo thinks he knows what he's doing. So Usne nje really has no power to even say something with regards to that. So Usne, I really like her, but she is the drama, guys. She went on to fight with Abongwe. Guys, Abongwe is the sweetest of all the siblings. Abongwe is my favorite of all the siblings. She's the sweetest, man. Like, she's the sweetest. Usne was fighting with her, doing this and that, and then crying, saying that they hate her. Hey, wara. And then she fought with Ulwandle. Like, I don't know, man. I don't know if it's part of the script, then they are making her look bad. If it's part of the script, they are making her look bad. They are making her the villain because Vele already they don't respect her. So if this thing is happening like this, Vele kube worse. If it's part of the script, it's worse. And why are they making it part of her script only to fight with others? Why bangayenza abanye? But if it's not, drama. If it's not part of the script, she is just dramatic, shame. She is just dramatic. I don't know, maybe I'm just overthinking this, but when as a person you are always fighting with your siblings, always here and there, when it's you, and then you come and say people hate you, and it's not even like that, it's just you.